he advised us is to, even if we are being attacked, we should refrain from, responding to the attack.
Very difficult to refrain from
Yeah,
responding.
So for that, he said he will ensure the buffer zone should be tightened. He will be sending more forces probably after 15 August to ensure that no provocation or no violence from both sides should happen.
So to ensure that peace can prevail and that there are no reprisal attacks done by either side, he's going to build up forces in the buffer zone.
That's right.
But he's going to wait till the 15th of August to do it.
No, he's not saying wait, but after 15 August, he will be able to deploy more,
Why 15th August? Why can't he do it now? There's not a shortage of paramilitary forces in India, is there?
I don't know.
He didn't explain that.
No, he talked about some occasion.
Independence Day.
Yeah, I don't remember the term he used. So because of that, the armies were deployed for that purpose. And after the 15th of August, he said he will deploy more forces.
Okay, let's talk a little about separate administration. What does ITLF mean by separate administration?